Hey guys! So in this video I'll tell you how to turn on backup on WhatsApp. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, so guys, it is very important to turn on backup because unfortunately if you guys lost your WhatsApp or if your phone get reset, then the backup will help you to get all of your messages again. If you change your phone, then the most helpful thing will be the backup to return your all of the message back. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your WhatsApp. And then you have to click on the three lines at the top right. You have to click on settings. Here you can see the option of chats. You have to click on this. After scrolling, you can see that the second last option is of chat backup. You have to click on this. If you want to backup now, you have to click on backup, and then here you can see that there are three settings. Okay, so first of all it says that backup to Google Drive. So if you click on this option, it says that never, only when I tap backup daily, weekly or monthly. Okay, so you can select any of the method according to your preference. I would suggest you to select daily. So after that, the next option is of Google account. You have to put on the account on which you want to backup. After that, there are two options: backup using cellular. If you want to turn this on, you can turn, otherwise you can also turn it off. And then the next option is of include videos. If you want that your videos should also be backup, then you have to click on this option and enable this, otherwise you can disable this also. Okay, so guys, this brings me in the end of the video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.